Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
All these crab rappers fighting their rhymes because I'm their backstabbers. But when it comes to me and my friend Doug Fresh, yeah, there is no competition because we are the best, yeah. Finesse and press, which we approve, and y'all will realize that we are the move. So listen close, so you all don't miss, as we go a little something like this. Hit it! Oh yeah. You know what? Lottie Lottie. Lottie Lottie. 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 You know what? Yo, peep this. Lottie Lottie. We like to party. We don't cause trouble. We don't bother nobody. We're just something that's on the mic. And when we rock up on the mic, we rock the mic. For all of y'all, keeping y'all in hell. Just to see you smile and enjoy yourself. Cause it's cool when you cause that cozy condition. And we create that.
That's all right, man. Nice. So, what is your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Bubba. It's got two VXF 12s. Two VXF 12s. D4s on RP 3500 with a Terran 400 on the door speakers. Extra excess power battery. Stock Hulk.
Awesome. Did you install this?
Yeah, I did all the installs.
Okay. Who built the box?
Actually, I bought it off a dude. He had done
Okay.
with the subwoofer.
Sweet. Do you know the box?
Tuned at 32 hertz.
Tuned 32. All right. Sweet. Do you know the cubic size on it roughly?
Nah, honestly, I don't.
And you drive this to work a lot? You said daily driver?
Yeah, daily driver.
All right. Nice. And the amplifier, do you know if it's wired at 1 ohm to 1 ohm? Okay. Sweet. I like it. Yeah, man, I would love to hear. What was your name?
Michael or Bubba.
Mike. All right.
I'll play this, and I'm gonna play a song in this little load.
Okay, so 2 songs. Is it better windows up or down, do you think?
Actually, down. I can pull up.
No, we're good right here. It's fine. You do your thing, man.
all my niggas gon' shoot. He gon' hide you, take the loss. All my niggas gon' through. I know a bad bitch, and I know she belong to. I just get louder when I'm walking.
Awesome, man. Nice to meet you. Pretty good for a daily driver little system, man. I like it. Yes, sir. Thank you for the demo, man. Nice to meet you. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.